In this video, we will discuss how to use the double ampersand variable to personalize default values in filter controls on the page. This feature is especially useful if you want to customize the initial view of the page and its content for specific users and groups. In this example, let's personalize the region value for different users. Start by creating a fork exec which will specify the global variable and the default values. On the home page, in the action bar, under the Other tab, click Text Editor, then select Fork Exec from the New Text Resource dialog box. In the new text file, type the fork exec code to set the global variable. In our case, the global variable is double amper def region, and the default values for 3 different users are North America, South America, and EMEA. Save your changes and publish the fork exec. Now we need to bring the global variable in effect. To do so, we must either run the fork exec or map its location in the administration console. Copy the path of your fork exec from the properties, open the administration console, in the application settings, under Other, add the path to the path to be executed on user sign-in field. Save your changes. The path of this fork exec should be accessible to all the user logins set up in the fork exec file. Additionally, make sure that the WebFocus user credentials are passed to the server. One way to do that is to set the server connection to Trusted and select the Pass WebFocus User ID and Other Groups radio button. Now let's create a designer page and populate it with content that features the region parameter. Add the region filter to the canvas. With the region filter control selected, open the Properties panel and under Data Settings, type the default value variable that you created in the fork exec, in this case, double amper def region. Save and publish your page. The global default for region is not set at this point. Sign out and sign in as admin again for the fork exec to run. Run the page. The default region value for the current user is North America, and it appears on the page. Now let's sign in as one of the users mentioned in the fork exec, user 1, and run the same page. As you can see, the default region value is now EMEA. And if you sign in as user 2, the default region value is South America. To learn more, visit the WebFocus 8205 knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.